Well, the sun has set on a beautiful mid-January day, and big changes are in the forecast. Highs today across the region, well above average. We're talking 15 to 20 degrees above average really all across the Ohio Valley, even farther west. We got to 49 here at Lafayette, 53 in Terre Haute, getting up to an impressive 65 degrees in St. Louis. Notice wind cam, though, a little shaky right now. Winds have stayed sustained above 10 miles per hour, even higher at times. Very gusty winds will start to shift from southwest right now to northwest tomorrow, and that's going to drive in some very cold air. 46 degrees right now, though, in Lafayette. Temperatures will only crash for the rest of the evening. We have a big cold blast on the way, so we have 60s down here in our region, even some 50s still. Off to the north, though, very cold air locked in Canada will start to move its way southward. Notice the current temperature right now in Minot, North Dakota, -3. We will have temperatures in this ballpark before long, so I hope you enjoyed today because, again, these big changes are on the move and they are going to come fast. You can see on satellite radar the polar vortex here. See these clouds associated with this system very far to the north. This is starting to sink its way southward, bringing some very cold air with it. Before long, we will be talking temperatures in the single digits and wind chills that will be below zero for several days in a row. We'll get to the timing there just in a second, but the local view of satellite radar shows a mostly clear sky right now, but we will see an increase in cloud cover throughout the evening, and Futurecast will show that. When we get to tomorrow morning, we should be under mostly cloudy skies as this cold front starts to move through the area. Now, tomorrow morning through tomorrow afternoon, we will stay mostly cloudy to overcast, and we will introduce the chance for maybe a few flurries, especially later in the afternoon into the early evening hours. This will not amount to anything, but there will be some snowflakes flying around through the area tomorrow afternoon into the evening hours. Now, overnight lows tonight, right around 18 degrees here in Lafayette, 17 in Remington, 19 in Romney. This will occur early tomorrow morning. We'll track that with temperature trend. Notice by 11, right around 40 degrees. The cold front's going to come through sometime after midnight. These temperatures are going to crash and level off into the middle 20s tomorrow. So we're going to have a temperature of 18 in the morning. We're not going to get out of the 20s really for the rest of the day. Again, the flurries come in tomorrow afternoon into the evening hours. We stay under a pretty quiet weather pattern really for the next several days. Maybe some flurries possible, though, on Monday as well, as we have some lake effect snow showers that will impact our northeast counties. Not expecting a lot of accumulation, but temperatures again on the downslope here. This is Monday, highs on Monday, 15 degrees the high expected in Lafayette. So what we're expecting for lows tonight will be our high temperature on Monday, even colder on Tuesday. 18 overnight tonight, but temperatures will crash. Notice the wind shifting from the southwest to the northwest, 15 to 30 miles per hour. So that's going to really usher in this very cold air. 15 on Monday, a big whopping 12 on Tuesday after a morning low right around zero. Some of our rural areas or outlying counties could get below zero on that day. I know Ross was impressed with that big 12 there. And then we focus our attention to a system coming in Thursday night into Friday. Right now, a lot of question marks. I'm going to call for some snow showers possible, maybe even a little bit of accumulation there, but not expecting a huge storm, but we'll keep our eyes on it.
Well, when your lows become your highs, that's not a very good thing.
Yeah,
ever. At
least we got a bonus this weekend, and it happened on a Saturday, so that's good news. But yeah, the next week's not looking too good.
Not at all. Well, Ross, it's looking good for the Purdue